Welcome to Essay Writer 10-line essay on gardening. Gardening is my favorite activity. I have bought a small land where I do this activity. I have to grow food items in my garden. I have grown different flowers, fruits, and vegetables in my garden. I take care of my garden as a mother. I water my plants daily. I also cut unwanted trees weekly. Gardening is a source of getting food for me. It also keeps me busy and healthy. Everyone should do gardening in his free time as it is a source of pleasure.